Come on, don't cry. We're gonna eat something nice today. Come on. I know she don't like it, but she's walking to her whatever the miser. Haha. Or a sink of Bible from our garden. Haha. What happened to that tone of face? Alright. Yeah, so we are gonna share this half and half. Yeah. So this is for both of us. So comment in the comment section how our reaction look, right? See the slime dropping off. Come babes, hold for your one properly. 1, 2, 3. Come on, eat up! Eat up! Eat up the some now! Swallow it, you have to swallow. Chew and swallow. Come! Oh God, look how you like. If you have a little treat session in eating and now is the time. Chew up is something and swallow something. Swallow all the way, good. Keep it down. Oh Jesus, keep it down. No! You go share me on camera. Keep it down. You have to put in it. Keep it down. Fight. You have to fight. Come on, man. Fight. Down. You have to keep it down. Come here. Wait, pan if you any video. I'm waiting on you to end the video. Swallow. 1, 2, 3. Down and keep it down. Send it down. Jesus, peace with a woman stubborn, man. Send it down. I want to see your mouth. I want you to open it. People see him there. Me have to cuss out him backside. Kinda going like he want vomit out his sin. Anyway, people, you don't know say I love her, me treat her. So when you come on to Sink a Bible, yeah man, peace and light. That's our first Sink a Bible reaction. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Ladies, tell me if you could have managed as her.